Hey everyone, it's Rob here again from Stunt Society Bullies, giving you guys a look at the pups that we have on the ground at this moment. We are expecting to drop 2 litters by the end of the year, and this is one of them. Very beautiful litter. We have Lilac tries, Lilac piebald tries, blue tries, blue piebald tries, and these pups are just beautiful. This breeding is in conjunction with Gorilla Bully Mafia. I want to give a special thanks to my guy Henry. He has done an amazing job over there. So we do have a couple of females and a couple of males available. Please contact us at 385-450-6157. Once again, that phone number is 385-450-6157. Or you could always contact us on the website or by email, and that's stuntsocietybullies@gmail.com.
Waiting the floss. I've been giving the gift. We've been granting your wish. I've been forming the clip, banging and making these hits. Presents be making you sick. You gon' be mad at your bitch. Speeding and shifting the stick. We patiently posted below. Releasing the soldiers I'm with. Taking the blessings you get. Grilling and clenching up it. Chillin', just give us a ish.
They think they know. They think they know. But they don't know about me. They don't know about me.